Hello! Welcome back. I'm Luli Clark. In this episode of Hungry for History, I have a delicious recipe for cheese and ice cream lovers. That is Parmesan cheese ice cream. My recipe is adapted from a 230-year-old Parmesan ice cream recipe published by a British confectioner, Frederick Nutt. If you wanted to know more about Mr. Nutt and his ice cream recipes, you can find the link in the description box below. Let's get it started! To make this recipe, here is what you need. 6 eggs, 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 3 ounces freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to use freshly grated cheese. I tried this recipe once with pre-packaged shredded cheese. It did not work because pre-grated cheese contains preservatives like potato starch to keep the shreds from sticking together in the bag. That means they don't melt together as well when cooking. Last, 1 cup sugar syrup. You can make it by boiling 1 cup sugar with 1 cup water. You can also make maple syrup or sugar-free syrup. That's it. Those are the ingredients you need for this recipe. Next, in a medium saucepan, combine eggs, syrup, cream together, and whisk until smooth. After it's well combined, cook the mixture on medium-low heat until it gets thick. But don't bring it to boil. Keep stirring it while cooking. Ooh, it smells so good. I cannot wait to taste it after it gets chilled and churned. After it gets thick enough, let's reduce the heat to low and add in cheese. Ooh, see, the cheese melts so fast. And fold it into the cream mixture until well combined. Ooh, look at this! Next, you can use a spoon, check if the custard is ready. Dip it in and take it out. Run your finger through. Did you see the stripe? It is ready now. Next, strain the custard through a sieve. Now our custard is ready. Let the mixture cool to room temperature and transfer it to the fridge. Let it chill there at least 2 hours or overnight before churning. The custard has been chilled for 3 hours now. As you can tell, it's very thick. Let's churn it up. I use a Custard ice cream maker. It was a wedding gift. We have really enjoyed it so far. Let me get the churning chamber first. Let me put the churning chamber on. And then flip the on and off switch to on. Then pour the mixture into the churning chamber. It usually takes this machine about 20 minutes to finish the churning. Let's wait for the magic to happen. After 20 minutes, the ice cream is done. Let's take it out and have a try. Ooh, as you can tell, it's really creamy. And very, very smooth. Next, I have a special guest. I'm gonna bring my husband in and ask him to have a try to see what he thinks of this historic ice cream recipe. Let's welcome him.
All right, let's try this out. The last time that we tried this recipe out, like Lou had mentioned before, we had tried a pre-shredded Parmesan cheese, and it really clumped up when she had melted it down and we had tried to churn it. The flavor was good, but the texture was way off. And I can tell you right now, this looks just how you want it to. It looks very creamy, and I'm looking forward to trying it out.
Give it a try.
All right.
Dig it in.
Get a big scoop here.
Oh my goodness. What do you think?
That's really good.
It's very smooth, right?
Yeah, it's really smooth. It has the same sweet, smooth texture as before, but this time, instead of having a lot of the clumpy texture before, this has like a pleasant graininess to it that's very slight. It's got the savory from the Parmesan and a little bit of a nutty as well, which comes from a higher quality Parmesan like we used for this recipe.
Yeah. Remember not to use pre-grated Parmesan cheese. Always use the fresh one. That's the secret. If you prefer a firmer consistency, transfer the dessert to an airtight container and store in the freezer for 2 or more hours, and then it will become really ice creamy.
Sounds great.
If you like this video, please give me a thumb up.
And then feel free to subscribe. And if you like it a lot and think you have some friends that would also enjoy it, please go ahead and share it with them too.
I have a homework for you today. Make this recipe and let me know in the comments below. How do you like it?
Sounds great.
Okay, bye bye. See you next time.
Bye.